This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French champagne house founded in 1868 when a barrel maker called Victor Canard met a winemaker called Léonie Duchesne, and they madly fell in love with each other and got married. A beautiful love story is behind the foundation of Canard Duchesne Champagne House. Canard Duchesne belonged to the LVMH, the Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy, together with Veuve Clicquot, this big luxury French group, between 1868 and 2003, when it was taken over by another champagne group called Champagne TNO. So Canard Duchesne now belongs to Champagne TNO. So how do you go about pronouncing the name of Canard Duchesne? Well, first, Canard. Do not pronounce the D at the end of Canard. It is silent in French. Canard. You can say Canard, but that's not very correct. Just say Canard. And then Duchesne. Duchesne, the typical French pronunciation, Champagne Canard Duchesne. Champagne Canard Duchesne. If you can say the French R, say Canard Duchesne. Canard Duchesne. Or simply Champagne Canard Duchesne. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.